Welcome back to Man in Your Corner with me, Sean Tucker, health scientist and raving performance coach. We are here in the living lab documenting the science, the struggle and the shift for every high performance, for every man who's ready to recover just as hard as he trains so he can finally unleash his best performance and best self. When was the last time you caught up with a mate with no agenda at all? My guess, it was probably a long while before kids. Before kids, there used to be a thing called the third space. The team, the club, the crew, friends. You used to catch up, you used to hang out, and probably have a good time. It stopped because kids became your priority. And this is the thing. There's nothing wrong with that. But right now, there are people who are calling out for connection. There are people who need connection. There are men, there are brothers out there who are suffering in isolation because they've got no way to connect, especially dads with young kids. And that third space is such an important and vital thing for your own well-being because what it does is in the first two spaces, you've got your friends and family. Really, that's your first one. Your second one, you've got your work and your work colleagues. It's two different identities there. The third space, this is one where, like I said before, it's like you had your teams, you had your club, and then kids came along and it stopped. You had those friends that you just used to hang out with on the weekend and go around and have fun, do late night, whatever you used to do. And it's not to blame the kids, but kids make it a lot harder to catch up, especially in the evening times. And it's not like a man, you're probably similar to me, will just randomly say, "Hey, friend, I want to catch up for coffee. Let's catch up for coffee." No. What happens is, "Hey, dude, you want to come and play a round of golf this afternoon? Or next week, let's go and do a round of golf. And then we might go and have a drink of coffee or a beer or whatever." Action first, and then what follows is the connection. The connection starts with the activity, and then it moves into having coffee or a beer or, chewing the fat, so to speak. And that's where the real conversations flow and happen. So maybe it is time to reach out to a mate and say, "Hey, let's go and have a hit of golf. Let's go and play some 10-pin bowls. Let's go and have a 6 a.m. workout with these guys over in Mulgrave." It's so simple. The thing and the reason why the 6 a.m. workouts work so well and why it solves so many more problems of isolation and, I guess, having that brotherhood, having that third space for these men is that it's usually at a time before everyone's awake. 6 a.m., finish the workout by 6:45, coffee place opens at 7, get home roughly at 7:30 to 7:40. That's it. Simple. We have a lot of fun. There's a bit of banter. And it's not to say that you have to come and join me for a workout. Like I said, maybe it's just going for a walk in the park. But do it with an activity that actually helps you and improve your overall well-being. Fitness is a great tool. Fitness is a great medium for you to bond with your mates. The problem with gyms is they usually have to have a gym membership. There are a lot of clubs, and I really love this and I encourage it. If you have a gym membership and your friend loves to work out, and your gym has a bring a mate for free on the weekends, that's awesome. Go ahead and do that. Just do something. Go and have that third space where you can connect with your brothers, because that's what it's about. So send this to a mate and go and create your third space. Do it on a consistent basis. We do it weekly here in Mulgrave, the Train Hard Men's Club Mulgrave. We do it weekly and it's freaking awesome. So maybe you should start a club. Maybe you should join a club. Go and have a look at the Train Hard Men's Club app. Go and have a look at their map and see where you can join a club or maybe even start a club. Or if you've got a garage, just open it up. Invite your neighbor. Connect with them. Have a good fun time. Have coffee afterwards. Simple. Create your own third space and life will just get better. It's as simple as that. That brings us to the end of this episode of Man in Your Corner with me, Sean Tucker. If you found value in it, please go ahead and give us a rating on your podcast platform of choice. Remember that most people wait for their life to change. Make a conscious choice to make it better. Change your state. Choose how you show up. I am Sean Tucker. I will see you in the next one.